Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, you'll learn how to pin any folder on Windows 11 Start menu. Right-click anywhere on your desktop. Go to New and choose Shortcut from the list. A new window will appear. Click on Browse. You will see a small window. Choose the folder that you want to pin to the Start menu. Click OK. Click on Next. You can rename your folder here if you want. Click on Finish. Now, we have created the shortcut to the folder. That is the secret. We can now pin the shortcut to the Start menu. Right-click on the shortcut and choose Pin to Start from the list. Open Start menu. Find the folder shortcut. Click on it to access the folder. You can also unpin the folder from the Start menu. Go to the Start menu and find the folder. Right-click on it and choose Unpin from Start from the list. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!